Hi folks, Mark Powell, Cue Master Pool School. I'd like to say a few words about developing a good stroke. I was teaching years ago in the Midwest. There was a guy in our class, I think his name was Bill, and he looked beautiful. Found the shot line, walked into it nice and smoothly, came vertically straight down, lined himself up, and then he does this. Bang, bang. He looks at me and he says, yeah, I know I made that shot, but gee whiz, I don't know what's wrong. I really don't have very much control over the cue ball. I can't figure out what the speed is. I'm missing too many shots. I'm losing to people I shouldn't be losing to. I don't know what's wrong. And I said, Bill, I said, when you walked into the shot and got down ready to shoot, I said, you look beautiful. Everything was perfect. I said, and then you pulled the trigger and it was like somebody dropped a stick of dynamite down your pants. Bang, right? I said, this is what I want you to do. I want you to imagine for once that the cue stick is hollow and it's full of water and there's no cap on the end. And I said, Bill, what do you think is going to happen if I do this? He said, well, all the water is going to squirt out of the back of the cue. And I said, exactly right. So what I want you to do now is imagine the cue stick's got water in it, no cap on the end, and stroke trying to keep the water inside the cue stick. This is what that looks like. Well, about 3 weeks later, I get an email from him. He said, Mark, that was the greatest image anyone ever gave me about anything. My stroke is so smooth, people are commenting on it. I'm beating people that I should have beaten before. Now I find it pretty easy to do that. My cue ball control is really coming together. But now what do I do with all the water in my basement? Yeah, it was pretty funny. Anyway, next time you feel yourself losing your stroke, where it gets a little choppy, a little much of a punch stroke or whatever, and you're trying to get back to having a smooth delivery, try that. Imagine the cue stick is hollow, full of water, no cap on the end, and stroke trying to keep the water inside the cue stick. I think you find it pretty helpful. Anyway, this is Mark Powell, Cue Master Pool School. Thanks for watching.